Good morning, students of class 10. I am Manibhushan Prashar, subject mathematics and topic heights and distance. This is part 2. We have already done some problems in part 1. Just see some more important problems. Important point is that you have to draw a correct figure. Figure is more important. If figure is correct, only then your solutions will be correct. If figure is wrong, whole solution itself it is wrong. Okay? So be careful for the language. Read the language very carefully and draw the correct figure. Okay, just see now. Question 1. An aeroplane when flying at a height of 4,000 meters. So that we have drawn this figure. Just see, this is at aeroplane will be at A at the height of 4,000 meters. Is it clear? An aeroplane when flying at a height of 4,000 meters from the ground passes vertically above another aeroplane. So B is the another aeroplane, and just vertically above there is A, first aeroplane whose height is 4,000 meters. Okay. At an instant when the angles of elevation of the two planes at the same point on the ground are 60 degree and 45 degree. So that we have drawn this figure. Just see, the angle of elevation for the first plane is 60 degree, for the second plane it is 45 degree. And we have supposed the distance is x. Okay. Now I have to find out the distance between the two planes. We have supposed your h. Okay. Distance between two planes is your h. Distance of the first plane is 4,000 meters. Okay. Just see the calculation. For calculation, I think it will be quite easy. If you do the practice, always you have to concern the right triangles in which angle of elevation or depression it is mentioned. Just see now. So for triangle ACD, okay, and another triangle BCD. So for triangle ACD, tan 60. Tan 60 should be AC by CD. So this is root 3, tan 60, value of tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to 4,000 by x, or x is equal to 4,000 by root 3. Now see the second triangle. Triangle BCD. Tan 45 is BC by CD, or 4,000 minus h by x, or x is equal to 4,000 minus h. Okay. Now both are the values of x, both should be equal, and try to simplify this equation, in which you can put the values of root 3 is how much? 1.73. It is already mentioned in your question that value of root 3 is 1.73. So you have to use same 1.73. Otherwise you can take 1.732. Okay. Now try to simplify. Your answer is 1693.34 meters. Okay. Come for the second question. It is also quite important. The angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point on the ground is 45 degree. Just say, we have supposed that at A there is aeroplane which angle of elevation is 45 degree. After 15 seconds it reaches up to C. And then angle of elevation becomes how much? 30 degree from the same point. Okay. Height is same, so that it is the vertically. The horizontal distance it will flow. Just see, after flying for 15 seconds, the elevation changes to 30 degree if the aeroplane is flying at a height of this meter. Find the speed of aeroplane. Clear? So, for drawing the figure, just see once again, aeroplane is at A. At the time, the angle of elevation is 45 degree. After 15 seconds, it travels up to C. Height remains same. So that angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. In this regard, we have to find out the speed of the aeroplane. Remember, this is the time, not the distance. Okay. So once again, we observe there are two right triangles. First one AOB, second one COD. So we calculate for triangles AOB, tan 45 how much? AB by OB. So 1 is equal to 2500 by OB. So value of OB is 2500. Whereas for this triangle COD, tan 30 CD by OD. 1030 how much? 1 by root 3. So 2500 by OD. OD is equal to 2500 root 3. So in this regard, now we know the OD, we know the OB. So taking their difference, we can get the values of BD. So value of BD is OD minus OB. Now we calculate. Now it comes 1830 meter. Clear? Now this BD is equal to AC. I mean we have to travel this distance in 15 seconds. So we can calculate the speed, distance by time. How much? 1830 by 15 meter per second. So 122 meter per second. 122 meter per second. Now you can express your answer in kilometer per hour also. So that this is multiplied by 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Your answer is 439.2 kilometer per hour. So in this way you have understand that more important is how to draw the correct figure. For figure 1 marks is allotted out of 4. Is it clear? Okay. Come for the next question. Just see, it is also a good question. Just see, it has asked in the board also. All questions are asked in the board. Okay, just see now. A man standing on the deck. A man standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meter above the water level. Observes the angle of elevation of the top of a hill is 60 degree. So that this is deck, this is your water level, dV is the water level and this is the deck. And from this top of the deck, we observe the angle of elevation of the hill is how much? 60 degree. Okay. And the angle of depression of the foot, you see. And the angle of depression of the base of the hill is 30 degree. So B is the base and its angle of depression goes to 30 degree. Okay. Find the distance of the hill. I mean this BD. Find the distance of the hill from the deck and the top or height of the hill. So that AB is required and AV is required. Okay. AB is your hill. AB is your hill. B is its base of the hill. CD is your deck. Okay. Come on. So we just suppose that AB barabar h meter and CD is equal to 10 meter. Now let's say in triangle ACE. This is the right triangle. ACE. What is the value of A? H minus 10. Okay, total H and this is 10. So this will be also 10. So A should be how much? H minus 10. So we have taken 1060 is equal to A by C. I mean H minus 10 by X. This is root 3. So that value of X is H minus 10 by root 3. Come for this triangle. Just say CBE. CBE. This is angle 30 degree. This is 90. So 1030 is equal to BE by CE. Or 1 by root 3 is 10 by X. Or X is equal to 10 root 3. You have to convert in decimals also. 17.32 meter. Now both are the X, so that you can equate now 10 root 3 is H minus 10 by root 3. So that it is 30 is equal to H minus 10 or H is equal to 40. So in this way we have calculated the distance of the hill is how much? 17.32 meter and height of the hill is 40 meter. Okay. Now come for this question. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above a lake is 30 degree. Just we suppose that P is the cloud, this is the water level, BQ is the water level, and this is the, or you can say of the lake. Okay. Now from a point 60 meter above, so that what from water level we have gone 60 meter above. So this is point A. At point A, the angle of elevation of the cloud is 30 degree. Now its image, just see its image in water at R. Okay. So that angle of depression of the image, just see question, an angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake is 60 degree. So you know very well from light chapter from physics that distance of the object is equal to distance of the image. I mean PQ is equal to Q1. This PQ is equal to QR. Now this is 60, so SQ is also 60. So PS should be how much? H minus 60. And SR should be how much? H, this is H, and this is your 60. So that H plus 60. Clear? So that I have mentioned here, PS is H minus 60, SR is H plus 60, AS is equal to X. Now you can observe the two right triangles. Just see, this is 30 degrees. So you can just see PAS. Now second, ASR 60 degree. No? Anyway, for triangle APS, 1030. How much? PS by AS. Here 1030 should be PS by AS. Is it clear? So 1 by root 3 H minus 60 by X, or X is equal to root 3 into H minus 60. Come for triangle, another triangle. ARS. 1060 should be equal to SR by AS. So 1060 how much? Root 3 is equal to H plus 60 by X. So the value of X should be H plus 60 by root 3. Now both are the values of X, both should be equated. And you can simplify now this root 3 here, 3 times H minus 60. So that the value of H is coming 120. Hence height of the cloud PQ is how much? 120 meter. Is it clear? Just say, take one more question. See now. It says that a boy standing on a horizontal plane finds a bird flying at a distance of 100 meters from him at an elevation of 30 degrees. See here once again. A boy standing on a horizontal plane finds a bird flying at a distance of 100 meters from him at an elevation 30 degrees. So that we just suppose that B is the bird, and boy is here at A. And now just see, this is the distance of the bird from the boy. How much? 100 meters. At an angle, 30 degrees. Is it clear? Now the question says that a girl standing on the roof of a 20 meter high building finds the angle of elevation of the same bird to be 45 degrees. The important point is here, I have underlined it, that boys and the girls are on the opposite side of the bird. Boy and the girl are on the opposite sides of the bird. So we have taken the girl at D, opposite sides. Just see, boys in the left, girls in the right side. So from D, which is at 20 meter high, C observes the angle of elevation of the bird, how much? 45 degrees. Figure is clear to you? See once again, bird is at here and boy is here. At a distance 100 meter at an angle 30 degree. Okay, girl opposite to the boy, to the bird, so that girl should be at D at a height of 20 meter and the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Clear? So here we observe the two right triangles. What are? Triangle ABC and BFD. Now see in triangle ABC, as the hypotenuse is given here, and also here hypotenuse is required, distance of bird from the girl, so BD is required, so that we will use sine 30. Just see, sine 30 how much in this triangle? Just say BC by AB. See once again, sine 30 should be how much? BC by AB. So sine 30 how much? 1 by 2, BC by 100, and so BC is 50 meters. So this height is calculated. Now this is 20. So this is your 50. 50 minus 20, it will be 30 degree. Now just say for this triangle, sine 45 is equal to BF by BD. BF by BD. So sine 45, 1 by root 2. 30 by BD. BD is equal to 30 root 2, or 30 into 1.414 meter, or 42.42 meter. Hence, distance of the bird from the girl is 42.42 meter. Is it clear? So students, today we have taken the 5 problems for you, and all the 5 problems are very important. You just revise it and do more practice of the problems of height and distance. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.